Welcome back, viewer. It's Nina here, your guide through the ever-fluctuating world of commodities. Today, on the 5th of April 2024, we are diving into the latest twists and turns in the cotton market. ICE cotton futures are facing a downward trend, marking the third consecutive day of decline. The culprit? Sluggish demand coupled with a robust dollar, chipping away at the appeal of our beloved natural fiber. But hold on to your hats. Over in the Middle East, escalating conflicts are sending shockwaves through the oil market, pushing Brent prices to new heights. Why does this matter to cotton? Well, higher oil prices drive up the cost of polyester, the go-to substitute for cotton, giving our natural fiber a competitive edge. Now, let's talk numbers. According to the latest USDA report, planting intentions for US cotton in 2024 fell slightly below trade estimates, but showed a 4% increase from last year. While most cotton estimating states are gearing up for more planting, powerhouse producers like Texas and Georgia are scaling back just a tad. Mother Nature is also throwing us a curveball. With the planting season underway, some states are lagging behind due to unfavorable weather conditions. Keep an eye out for potential disruptions as we navigate through the season. Shifting our gaze globally, Brazil is stepping up its cotton game with an increase in production forecasts, while Australia is also poised for a bumper crop. These developments could have ripple effects on the global market, so stay tuned for updates. Now, what about the numbers on the ground? Speculators are adjusting their positions, with a notable decrease in net long positions in ICE US cotton futures. Meanwhile, market watchers are eagerly anticipating the USDA's weekly export sales report for further insights. That's a wrap for today, folks. Remember, in the world of commodities, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next update. This is Nina, signing off for Ajayastromoneyguru. Until next time,